Hey guys, I'm here. I guess something I want to talk to you about today. I have a really good experience with a company and their customer service, which it's not usually that case with big companies these days. So I have a few Peak Design products, and I really like them. But this video is not sponsored by Peak Design anyway. This is just a true story that actually happened today, a Sunday, by the way. I have a 5 liter sling bag here, 5 liter Peak Design sling, and the zipper broke on it, so it doesn't zip anymore, which is tragic because I really like this bag. I have a smaller 3 liter one as well, the black one, but this is perfect for like one camera, maybe your phone and your wallet. Yeah, I know it's a man purse, but it's amazing if you're a photographer. But I love the 5 liter one because I can put 2 cameras in there and an extra lens because I love shooting with vintage lenses, so I got something in there, And anyway, so I was going out to shoot and the zipper broke. I was like, oh crap. I've had it for a while, and I've heard that they have a very good warranty, lifetime warranty on all products. So I got on my phone and on their website, and I'm filling out the form, and it gets to a part where you ask you for the original purchase receipt. Well, I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it. I searched through my emails and all where I keep all my files and stuff. I could not find it. So in order to complete the warranty process, you have to upload an image of your original purchase receipt with your name and address and all that stuff on it. So I didn't have it. So I just basically took a picture of my wall, white picture of the wall, filled it out, and at the very end there's like a note section for the customer service. So I explained to them, hey, I've had this bag, I have a couple of your products, and I cannot find my original receipts. And you actually also have to take a picture of the broken part. So I took a couple pictures of the zipper, and I sent it off thinking, well, if they get back to me and say, oh, well, we can send you a new one, but it's going to cost you what, so and such and such. So I'm like, okay, that's whatever, fine. But it's Sunday today, and this happened, I'm in Europe, so this happened about 3 o'clock in the afternoon here, so about 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning, and in the US. So I sent them an email and wasn't expecting a response. And about 15-20 minutes later, I was going to go out with my girlfriend and the dog and take a walk and grab the camera. And I just checked my email right before I left. And I was like, I got an email response from a guy named Bernie at Peak Design. He said, hey, sorry to hear about your product. We're really sorry that it happened. Can you send us a picture of the bag and a piece of paper with, today's date next to it, and send that to me, and I'll see what I can do for you. So, okay, I said, hold on. I told my girlfriend to hold on a few minutes. And so I did that. I emailed it. And then we went out for a walk, and about halfway through the walk, I checked my phone again. I got an email back. He said, hey, good news and bad news is we can fix the camera, or we can fix your bag, or we'll give you a new bag, but we don't have the version, because this is a version 1, which they don't make those anymore. And he said, but you can pick from the new version 2, which is the better version because it has 2 zippers compared to the version 1 only has 1 zipper, which is kind of a pain because if you want to carry it, let's see, the zipper's broke, but if you want to carry it on this side, the zipper only locks on the back side, so somebody could walk up and unzip it and take something out of your bag. But if you carry it on this side, it's not a problem. But the new versions have 2 zippers, so you can either zip it towards the back if you carry it on this side, so nobody it sneaks into your bag. Plus the zipper's like, you'd hear somebody sneak into it. But so I like to carry mine on my left side, so you can push both zippers to the front. And that way the zippers are right there in front of you, so nobody can really pickpocket you. So he said, unfortunately we don't have the version 1. So he sent me a link to the product page. He said, pick, we have 3 different colors. So I had the gray one. I have a small black one, the 3 liter black one. And I said, well, maybe I'll get to maybe I'll go with the black one this time so I can have his matching pair. And he said, hey, that no problem. We're very happy that you use our products. And, I looked at, I see, your account on our site that you have a couple other products. I have the small bag, and I have the capture device, which is, if you've never seen it or don't know what it is, look it up, because if you're always shooting with one, or if you have more than 2 cameras, sometimes it's just amazing, especially in the cold or something like that. You can just, if you want to check your phone, it mounts to your backpack, and it's got a little adapter. What are those adapters called? Arca Swiss adapter. So you can just mount it right to your backpack on this clip. I might even have it somewhere. I don't know what I did with it, but it's fantastic. And so he said, oh, I see you got some other products. And he said, I'm very glad that that you really like our product. So pick the product you want, and we'll send it right out. We'll send it to you. And I said, okay, great, thanks. I sent it, and then within 20 minutes after that, I got an email with a purchase number, and I can go on their website, and it shows me that the product is, it's obviously Sunday, which is amazing that this guy did all of this on a Sunday afternoon at Peak Design. I don't know, like I was on their website and it said they only, their customer service works 9 to 5 Monday through Friday or something, and they're in San Francisco, so it's 9 to 5 Pacific time, I would imagine. And I don't know if this guy is the boss or whatever. He just happened to be in the office this day, and had nothing else to do but answer my emails. And I think that's just for a company that's got such a good name in the photography world. It's amazing that somebody got back to me that fast and resolved my problem. And I didn't have everything needed to fix. I didn't have my original receipt, which is most places would have told you to go get bent. So. All I can say is that this is one of the best customer service experiences I've ever had with a company. And if you're looking for Peak Design, if you're looking for a new sling bag or something, they seem a little bit more than Case Logic, or not Case Logic. What is, I don't know, any of these other brands, but showing my age by Case Logic. I probably have a CD case full of Case Logic CDs around here anyway. But yeah, check them out. Their Peak Design's amazing. So. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new around, as they say, if you're new around here, subscribe, hit like, whatever. I'm always doing new photography stuff and vintage lens reviews, and I do walking tours around Budapest. So if you're interested in seeing what this amazing city looks like, check out some of my other videos. And I make black screen sleepy video sounds, because I suffer from tinnitus and insomnia, which both go hand in hand. So I have constant ringing in my ears from being a musician my whole life. But some of these videos really do help and help you sleep. So thanks, guys, again, and see you around. Cheers.